Buckle up! AI is taking digital marketing to the next level. Imagine having a tireless assistant that works 24/7, analyzing data, finding trends, and predicting what your customers want. That's AI in digital marketing. With AI, you can personalize your ads like never before. Think about it. Your customers seeing exactly what they want, when they want it. It's like reading their minds. And it doesn't stop there. AI can optimize your ad spend so you get the most bang for your buck. No more guessing games, just smart, data-driven decisions. Ever spent hours trying to come up with catchy content? AI's got you covered. From generating headlines to writing posts, it can do it all in seconds. But wait, there's more. AI can also help you understand your audience better. With advanced analytics, you can see who your customers are, what they like, and how they interact with your brand. Think of it as your business's secret weapon. AI is not just the future. It's happening right now. So, are you ready to embrace the power of AI? It's time to take your digital marketing to the next level. Let's transform your business together. The future is here.